Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to the most beautiful spring day. Honestly, I want more of this weather. I absolutely love it. It just puts me in such a bright and happy mood. But yeah, today is just a working from home day, usual for me. I got up, went out, did the school run, got back and had a very quick breakfast of these blueberry Wheaties that I really enjoy. I can never open cereal boxes properly, honestly. Let me know down below if you're the same. But yeah, I got these because I absolutely love the raisin ones, as you guys know. And when Andrew discovered those, I thought, yeah, I want to try those. So I've had that, and I've also been munching on these beautiful cherries all day. That are so good. But anyway, it's time for lunch. And actually, last night I whipped up a very simple and quick chicken curry. So I'm thinking about having that just because I'm kind of in work mode. I need to send a video off for approval within the next couple of hours and I just need to get crap done. So I'm going to have a bit of curry that I made last night with some flatbread, and then tonight I really don't know what I'm having. I've got meat in the freezer, I've got everything. So if I fancy whipping something up later, I can definitely do that. But for now, I'm going to go and get that chicken curry on the go. I'm going to have it with the flatbread. And then this afternoon, if I get time, I want to whip up some cookies for my afternoon snack, but that is very ambitious, so we will see. If not, I have these gorgeous looking St. Clement's hot cross buns. So I'm not short of snacks, but anyway. Oh my god, that cherry is delicious. But yeah, today I'm wearing a very simple outfit, my misguided jeans, and I have this gorgeous top actually, stripy. Did you guys expect anything else? But I love this because it's this embroidery on it that says Optimist in a rainbow thread. It's the cutest, so I'll link it down below in case anyone's interested. But anyway, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to see these frequently from me, and also I'm on Pinterest. I've finally joined Pinterest, guys. If you want to follow me for recipes and click-ons and everything like that, make sure you do. And let's get on with the day. So this curry is a very simple one, if I'm honest. Look at how beautiful this Tupperware is. I got it from Anthropology in the sale. Sadly, they're sold out now, but the quality is so good. The ones in the sale are sold out, but they do have ones with different designs on that are full price. But I mean, yeah, they're significantly more than what I paid, but I do love them. They're great quality even at the full price. But anyway, the lid on, but I'm gonna leave it ajar so the heat, oh not the heat, sorry, the steam can escape. So I'm literally gonna put it on very loosely, and that's really just so the microwave doesn't get absolutely splattered. I don't think you guys have seen my new microwave. I picked this one up. I really like it. Do you know what? Because there's quite a lot here, I don't even know if I need bread. Like, I'm not even that hungry. Like, I'm just having it because I know I need to eat something and I can't be bothered making a sandwich or something like that. But there's actually quite a lot here, so I'm thinking about, do you know what? I'll have like half a piece of bread because I'm really just not hungry and I don't want to eat loads if I'm not hungry. I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to go and get that done. I'm just going to have one of my normal flatbreads with a Coke Zero, and then that's my lunch. Lunch was really good. I mean, I knew it would be because it was leftovers, but now I need to set off and get Layla because I want to stop by the chemist on the way and pick up a prescription. So I want to set off in plenty of time to make sure that I'm not late. It's like literally 2 minutes walk from her school, but still I want to make sure that I don't know how long I'll have to wait for the prescription. So I'm going to nip off now, and I'm going to take some fruits. I've got back eating my fruit on walks, so I'm going to have this lovely peach, which will not focus. I don't know why you guys would want to see a peach, but there's just something so satisfying about them. They're so fuzzy. Anyway, I'm going to go and have a peach, then come back, and if Layla and Harissa are in the mood, we'll make those cookies. If not, I'll be having a St. Clement's hot cross bun. Just got back from the school run, and I don't think I'm going to have time to make the cookies tonight, so I'm going to put myself a hot cross bun in the toaster. I haven't tried these ones yet. These are the kind of orange infused ones, and I'm going to have some raspberry jam on it with butter.
I wish you were easy. Spend some time with me, but you talk to everyone except me.
Alright, so I've decided that we're going to have some seasoned chicken. Now, this is my tomato harissa chicken. It's a very simple recipe, but basically I have some Greek yogurt, some harissa paste, tomato concentrate, garlic, a good quality olive oil, salt and pepper, nothing too complex. And I'm basically going to put this in an oven dish and roast it, and it'll be delicious, packed full of flavour, but also not too heavy with me having, you know, a curry for lunch. And I know it's chicken again, but to be honest, this needed eating and it's a nice light option.
Makes me think you don't want me. I wish I were simple, that I gave in just a little, but I talk to everyone except you. So how?
Not gonna lie guys, I just sat down to edit this video in my comfies and thought, oh no, I didn't end it. That chicken was great, it always is when I have things like that. I'm literally just sat in my comfies. I wasn't planning on coming on camera today, hence the bare face, but I had to end the video. So thank you so much for watching. I am gonna get these up more frequently. It's just at the moment it's just been mega hectic, but please bear with me. I will get to filming them much more frequently, but thank you so much for watching, and me and my really close-up face, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Won't you